Welcome to our guide on resolving video playback issues on Instagram for PC users. If you're facing difficulties with videos not playing, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Firstly, check your network connection. A stable internet connection is essential for smooth video playback on Instagram. Next, try refreshing the Instagram page where the video is located. Sometimes a simple refresh can fix playback problems. If refreshing doesn't work, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can remove stored data that might be affecting video playback. Another step to try is logging out of WhatsApp desktop and then logging back in. This process can sometimes address video playback issues on Instagram. If the problem persists, restarting your device could be beneficial. Power off your device, wait for 30 seconds, and power it back on. This basic restart can often resolve various technical issues. In certain scenarios, like using office or university campus Wi-Fi, connection issues may arise. Switching to a different network or using mobile data can help troubleshoot these problems. By following these steps, you can tackle common causes of video playback issues on Instagram and enhance your viewing experience on your PC. These solutions are aimed at helping you overcome obstacles and enjoy uninterrupted video playback on the platform.